Hi, this is your friendly neighbor Marites. Trending ngayon mga ka-showbiz.
Jake Cyrus pinatulan ang basher na tinawag siyang Charis. Si Charis ay dating kilalang singer na si Charis Pempenko, na ngayon ay si Jake Cyrus, isang trans man. Noong June 20, nag-post si Jake sa Instagram ng kasabihan mula kay Fyodor Dostoevsky. A beast can never be as cruel as a human being, so artistically, so picturesquely cruel. Quote. Kasama nito ang dalawang larawan ni Jake at kasabihan mula kay James Baldwin. The most dangerous creation of any society is the man who has nothing to lose. Isang netizen ang nagkomento sa post ni Jake. Sinabing sayang ang boses ni Charis at ikinumpara pa si Jake kay Ice Guerra, isa ring trans man. Komento ng netizen, sayang boses mo Charis. Bakit si Ice Guerra trans man pero never binago ang boses? Sayang talaga, nagalit si Jake pagkabasa ng komento. Naburyo si Jake dahil tinawag siyang Charis, isang pangalang iniwan na niya matapos mag-transition. Ang tawag dito ay dead naming. Sabi ni Jake Cyrus, first of all, with respect to the past, keep NY dead name out of your silly mouth. Quote. Tungkol naman sa pagkukumpara kay Ice, sinabi ni Jake Cyrus na hindi nagtitake ng hormone therapy ang dating child star. Isa raw itong malaking bahagi ng pagiging trans man. Anya, and darling, it's because he hasn't taken any hormone therapy. It's a huge part of being a trans man. Maybe there are more important reasons why he hasn't taken hormone therapy. I am not going to explain the rest because based on your comment you sound ignorant. Quote. Dahil tila gusto ng netizen na maging center of attention, pinagbigyan ito ni Jake sa pamamagitan ng pagpipin ng komento nito. Google is free darling. I am going to pin your comment because it seems like you love being center of attention. So let's give it to you sweetheart. Have a nice day. Isang fan ni Jake ang nagkomento na nagpapakita ng bias ng basher laban sa mga transgender. Yikes! Your transphobia is showing sis. Before you comment maybe you should do some research. The only thing sayang is you coming on here just to write some trash as comment. Hey bye have a nice day. Tugon ni Jake, right. You support a trans and bash another trans because of what? Bear it. Yun lang. Make it make sense sis. Hater. Being a transgender is more than just singing high or low notes. Dagdag pa ni Jake, and the audacity of you to dead name me and properly call Ice his real name. What a joke. Isang supporter ang nagpaabot ng simpatiya kay Jake at pinuna ang basher dahil hinanap lang nito ang account ni Jake para husgahan. Sabi ng fan, what gives you the right to come on his Instagram to come and judge him? We come on here to show our love and support to Jake, but it's people like who are too ignorant to educate yourself. Keep your opinions, insults, judgments to yourself. We love you Jake. Don't let people like this ruin your day. Sagot ni Jake, hindi na siya nasasaktan sa ganitong mga komento dahil sa trauma na naranasan niya. No, it won't. Thank you. Trauma has removed so much of my emotions low. For some reason I don't feel pain no more. Completely numb. So this only mentally bothers me but it doesn't ruin my day. Hope I'm making sense. We won't stay quiet no more with these kinds of people. I know there's a lot out there but she got lucky because I had a little time today. Noong May 23, ilang linggong nawala sa social media si Jake Cyrus upang pagtuunan ng pansin ang kanyang mental health.
At yan po, ang latest ngayon mga ka-showbiz. Ano po ang masasabi nyo? Mag-type lang po sa comment section below. This is your kapitbahay Marites. Until next time, maraming salamat po.